Isa raw ang patunay dito, ang pagpayag ni Sunshine na magbalik pelikula sa movie project na pagbibidahan ng asawa ang biktima.
I have a special scene sa pelikulang to. And syempre, hindi naman ako nakakalimutan. Pelikula yung asawa ko. Ang minahal ko lang naman lalaki sa buhay ko si Cesar Montano. So, I would like to be with him for the rest of my life. Baby, happy 12th year anniversary sa atin. I'm always here for you and our children. I love you and good luck sa inyong pelikulang Biktima.
Ngayong hapon, a husband's big burning confession. Cesar Montano, live, The Buzz exclusive.
Welcome to the Buzz.
Thank you.
Welcome to the Buzz.
Thank you.
Ano yung reaksyon pag sinasabi? Or, I would do a lot of interviews with younger actors to work. And every time I've asked, who to you is one of the most brilliant actors of this generation? Who to you is one of the best actors in Philippine cinema? Kadalasan ang sinasagot ay Cesar Montano, Aga Mula. How do you feel when you're told that you're one of the most brilliant actors of your generation?
Of course, I feel very, very proud and mas kinakabahan na rin ako dahil sa tingin ko I have a lot of growing up to do. Kailangan patunayan ko to at panindigan ko na to be coherent with what they're saying about me.
Yung atake mo ba bilang isang aktor, pag gumagawa ka ng pelikula o di kaya umaarte ka, nag-evolve din? Ikaw ba'y mag-script? Ikaw ba'y, do you listen to the moment? Ikaw ba'y napibiing? Meron ka bang atake bilang aktor?
Meron. I have my own strategy and my own style. But ako para akong parang sponge. I absorb things. Kasi the secret of acting is listening. The secret of acting is being natural. Kailangan yung available stimulus, kailangan hindi mo i-ignore palagi. Always go with it.
But it's an art kasi yung listening, diba? You listen to the instructions of the director, you listen to the moment, you listen to yourself, and it's being able to meld all these things and then deliver it in front of the camera. I mean, that's what brilliant is all about.
Yeah, that's true. Ayun ang pinakamasarap panoorin.
Diba? 12 years of marriage. 12 years of marriage. I was listening to Shine. Boy, ano yung pinakamahalagang leksyon na iyong natutunan sa pag-ibig, sa relasyon in the last 12 years?
Well, I have to go back to the word listening. Kailangan hindi mo yung palagi sarili mo ang pinakikita. You really have to listen. You really have to, you should learn how to forgive. Kailangan palagi mong i-check yung sarili mo kung tama ko ba ako o mali na yung pananaw ko sa sarili ko. Because we're three persons tayo. The person you think you are, the person other people think you are, the person and the person you really are.
Kanina sinabi mo forgiving, importante rin kasi sa konsepto ng forgiveness, yung hindi ka lang nagpapatawad sa iba, nagpapatawad ka rin sa sarili mo. Di ba?
Correct.
Kumusta ka bilang ano?
Ako, lumalago pa ako. I still learning from my college. Work in progress ako. At nag-i-enjoy ako.
Totoo ba na pagkatapos maligo ng yung 3 girls, minsan ikaw pa ang nagsusuklay sa kanila?
Not doing those things. Kasi akong kalaro ng tatlo to Saka bago matulog, pagkagising talaga ko nakakit sila. And I love doing those things.